Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So, oh my gosh, I was thinking about a deal this morning and I lined it up perfectly to get some free Tide, free Nivea lotion, and some beauty products for free, which is absolutely amazing. This deal is done specifically curbside for more advanced shoppers as well. But if you're a newer shopper, I'm going to try and walk you through it. And if it makes sense, by all means, make it happen. So, this deal is curbside, meaning you're going to pick it up. You're going to order it through the Walgreens app and then drive to the store and pick it up. And you're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check. And that is known lovingly as a curbside pickup. So before we dive into these deals, I just want to throw something on the table. The free Snuggle dryer sheets that we were getting at the Dollar General, I think on Monday afternoonish, it kind of died. So just a heads up, that deal is no more good. If you got it, that's fantastic. If you missed out, maybe next time. But that deal is no longer a thing. It is finito. So sorry about that, guys. If you didn't score, but I know a lot of you did. Alternatively, if you just want smaller deals, $10 or less, watch yesterday's curbside video. I will link it at the very end. Lots of very quick little deals. Again, ordering it through the app, driving to the store and picking it up. Pretty easy concept. Okay, so Walgreens sent me an email yesterday and it says 20% off of $40+ of beauty and personal care using the code GLAM20. So this is curbside only or online only, and it's a whole host of products. So if you can't find any specific items that I'm showing in this video, you can always opt for something else. You just need to see the tagging that says that you could use the code GLAM20, and I'm going to show you that in a quick second. For this one, you're going to need your best friend, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $45 plus. We're going to be spending $40 in beauty and then an extra $5. That's where I'm grabbing the Tide. So you know the method of the magic right there. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to grab at least $20 of Nivea body lotion. We're going to grab one for $12.99 and one for $10.99. So that's two of them. We've passed that $20 mark. We have a $2 digital that's attaching, and then see, spend 20, get back 10. So that's fantastic. And then below you have the 20% off with the code GLAM20. So you know you're grabbing the right item. Now we're going to load this digital coupon, which is a $2 off. So make sure you have it loaded. And now I'm also going to ask you guys to head over to either your ShopMeum account. And yes, it's expiring, I think, at the end of the month. Or alternatively, Swag Bucks, you'll have an extra $2 back. So what you're going to have to do, guys, is ask the cashier to process your receipt at a regular register so you can get a physical receipt to photograph it to ShopMeum to get your $2 back, or alternatively, Swag Bucks. If the cashier processes it through a regular handheld, you're not going to get a receipt. So that's why I'm like, for advanced shoppers, if you're too shy to ask for them to process it through a regular register, you're going to miss out on $8. So you're going to have to be a bit more like, could you please help me out? Ask in a super nice way. They probably should accommodate you. Okay, the next item we're going to grab is 3 of these brow pencils by CoverGirl. Not everybody's favorite, but hey, it's working with the glam code. So it's buy 2, get 1 for free, and then we have this digital coupon, which is a 4 off of 2. You might have to mix and match some of these brow pencils. IBOTTA is giving back $2 for each, so you're going to get $6 back. See the time ticker of doom, 1 day left. So you have to do this deal probably in the next day, like today or tomorrow, because that rebate is going. Load the rebate at the very least. And yes, it's working with those eye pencils. I just scanned one at home and it is attaching. Okay, the next item that we're going to grab is 3 of the baby lips, and it's on the same promotion of buy 2, get 1 for free. And we have a $6 digital coupon, and this is on some craziness of like $5 back when you buy 3, which is really fantastic. This is the digital coupon that you're going to load. I think there might also be a $3 off of 1, so if you only have 1, alternatively use the $3 or the $6. Okay, so the last item that we're going to get the math to balance is one of these Tides for $5.49. And then we have a dollar digital that's attaching to said product. Please make sure you have this guy loaded. Now, just to show you the cute little chorus line of coupons melting off, here it is. We have $2 for Nivea, $4 for CoverGirl, $6 for Maybelline. Alternatively, there's also a $3 one if you've already used the $6 one. $7.32 using Glam 20. So that's why this is curbside, because that Glam 20 you can only use online for a curbside order. And then the Tide dollar digital melting off as well. Our overall basket is $54.03. With the promotion code 732 is melting off. So the new total is $46.71. Guess what? We're still at that $45 threshold to get back 10. Free curbside pickup and tax, $13 melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $36.51. Get back $25.54 plus $2 back from ShopMeum or Swag Bucks, plus $6 back from IBOTTA. If you're in a state where you do not have to pay tax, this is free. If not, you're paying tax for this basket, which is really fantastic. If your CoverGirl rebate is gone, you're watching this later in the week and you're like, oh, I really wish I could try and do something. We have a whole host of Maybelline rebates with IBOTTA, and it's also on the same promotion of buy two, get the third for free. So I would maybe just try and fiddle around with this and see what you can come up with. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.